The greatest wealth is health. The Honorable of the Judges and all of the audiences, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, today we would like to present our project idea. The title is Online Early Detection of Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. First of all, I would like to introduce our team. My name is Aida Nuhanabila as leader, and my friend Dennis Ilham Sugiarto as a member. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the news that has become a worldwide problem now. Well, turning our attention now to coronavirus.
Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 is a group of viruses that may cause disease on animals or humans. Several coronaviruses are known to infect humans' respiratory tract and cause coughing and cold or even more serious disease like Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. The new coronavirus causes COVID-19. The new virus and the disease it caused were not known before the outbreak in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic occurring in many countries around the world. The current science lacks of knowledge of this virus, especially because sometimes the symptoms are trivial such as fever, dry cough, and exhaust. More than that, the impact that can be caused by this disease is severe and may lead to death.
The increase in COVID-19 cases is also affected by the high cost of rapid tests. Current technological development can be utilized to detect symptoms of the coronavirus early by utilizing the concept of artificial intelligence, which is implemented in expert system. By using the online early detection of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, the public can recognize the symptoms of COVID-19 more quickly, easily, cheaply, and can be accessed anytime and anywhere because it is web-based. So now, let's move on to experimental methods. We use literature review like on this slide. Next, theoretical framework.
Coronavirus is a group of viruses that can cause disease in animals or humans. Several types of coronavirus are known to cause respiratory tract infection in humans, ranging from cough and colds to more serious ones such as Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. The newly discovered coronavirus causes COVID-19.
Bayes' theorem was discovered by Reverend Thomas Bayes in the 18th century. This theorem is the basis of Bayes' statistic and can be applied in many fields such as science, engineering, economic, game theory, medicine, law, and so on. Next, problem analysis.
This stage analyzes the problems or constraints that occur. Problem analysis is also known as system weakness analysis. To facilitate the analysis, SWOT method was used, which is a method of analyzing system weakness from several aspects, including strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat.
Next, applicable solution. From the problem described above, there are several solutions that can be applied including 1. Short-term solution. Making online early detection of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 disease. 2. Medium-term solution. Implementation of online early detection of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 on the official website of a hospital in Yogyakarta area. 3. Long-term solution. implementation of the early detection of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 on the official website of all hospitals in Indonesia. Next, selected solution.
In this study, the most likely solution was chosen to be applied immediately, which is the making of online early detection of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus.
Next, requirement analysis. Analysis of system requirement is intended to find out what is needed by the system to be pulled in order to replace or improve the weakness found from the old system so that the overall performance of the system is better. Next, feasibility analysis.
Feasibility analysis is the stage to analyze the system to be built, whether it can be implemented or not. The purpose of the feasibility analysis is to determine whether or not a new system will be applied as a replacement, repair, or development of the old system.
Last, expert system design. The design of system aims to get a picture, plan, or blueprint for the system being built. In this design stage, there are several important components that must be designed, including process design, database design, and interface design. So let's move on to result and discussion. First, we are making database and table making. Next, we will make base probability and value input. And next, we're making program implementation. Next, from connection and database system, system installation, and system testing. System testing is done to find out whether the system that has been created can run properly and in accordance with this function or not. The study used black box testing and white box testing methods. So that's all of our presentation. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.